upon demand, usfarm.us. Interactive Brokers Error Code 2108. Request ID -1. Interactive Brokers Historical Daily Data. Link, top. In Sierra Chart, you have the option of downloading historical daily data from Interactive Brokers as 24-hour bars or regular trading session-only bars. However, this option will not work when the symbol is mapped to the Sierra Chart Historical Data Service. The data from that service will always contain the full 24-hour of trading for each daily bar unless the symbol is a stock. To change the setting to download regular trading hours daily bars, select Global Settings, a Data/Trade Service Settings on the menu. If the option Service Setting, a Download Regular Trading Hours Bars, Daily Bars Only, is set to True, Sierra Chart will only request the regular trading hours daily bar data. Otherwise, a request for the standard 24-hour daily bar data will be made. If you made a change to the Download Regular Trading Hours Bars, Daily Bars Only setting, then you need to re-download the data in the historical daily charts to get the regular trading hours bars. You need to do this only once for each symbol. To do this, go to a historical daily chart and select Edit, delete all data and download. This only needs to be done once for each symbol. Time and sales window data. Link, top. The data that you see for a symbol in the time and sales window when using Interactive Brokers consists of two categories of data. The first category of data are normal Interactive Brokers trade messages for a symbol. There is no assurance that this data is complete from Interactive Brokers, and we cannot help with it. The second category of data is trades which are inserted by Sierra Chart in order to make the volume for chart bars match the total daily volume for the symbol. This is documented in the Simulate Trades to Match Daily Volume section. If Sierra Chart support has referred you to this section, please do not ask us further about discrepancies. We cannot help with them. And please do not use the argument that you do not see the problem in another program. Such a statement is not relevant due to the limitations of the Interactive Brokers substandard data feed. We explain the origin of the data above. You are welcome to use whatever program that meets your requirements. One solution to the problem is to use one of the real-time exchange data feeds available from Sierra Chart instead of the substandard Interactive Brokers data feed. Orders disappear after being submitted, although they are still open. Link, top. In the case when you submit an order from a chart or trade DOM and the order disappears within about 10 seconds after being submitted, even though the order is still working and has not yet been filled, follow this procedure for help with this. For the order that disappears, locate the order in the Trade Orders window. Get the service order ID for it. Send an email to api@interactivebrokers.com and ask them why when a REQ open orders call is made through the API. Why is there not a response for the order ID? Tell Interactive Brokers the ID you got from the service order ID field in Sierra Chart. The fact that there is no response indicates the order is no longer open. Interactive Brokers may need to see your TWS log file. They will give you instructions on how to provide that. Interactive Brokers Stop Order Trigger Method. Link, top. It is possible to specify how Interactive Brokers simulated stop and stop limit orders are triggered. This setting can be changed in Global Settings, a Data/Trade Service Settings, Interactive Brokers Stop Order Trigger Method. Changing this setting has no effect upon stop orders entered directly from TWS. The valid values are as follows. 0 equals the default value. The double bid/ask function will be used for orders for OTC stocks and US options. All other orders will use the last function. 1 equals use double bid/ask function, where stop orders are triggered based on 2 consecutive bid or ask prices. 2 equals last function, where stop orders are triggered based on the last price. 3 equals double last function. 4 equals bid/ask function. 7 equals last or bid/ask function. 8 equals midpoint function. Procedure for providing TWS log files. Link, top. Follow the instructions below, which are based on instructions from Interactive Brokers to provide the Trader Workstation, TWS, log files. In TWS, navigate to Edit, Global Configuration, Settings, API Settings. Then within Setting, change the logging level to Detail. Check the box Create API Message Log File and hit Apply and OK. Once the logging levels have been adjusted, please restart TWS. Now that the adjustments has been made, replicate the issue again. Send by email to Interactive Brokers support a copy of both the TWS and API log file attached, as well as details the specific issue encountered. Both log files are located within C:\JTS folder, and it is named log, day.txt, TWS log file, and API.clientID, day log, API log file. Historical and real-time stock/equities data volume differences. Link, top. As of approximately version 2033, the information in this particular section is no longer applicable. The volume data downloaded from Interactive Brokers for stock/equity symbols is now actual with this version and higher. Update with help download current version. To re-download the data in your intraday charts to get the correct historical volume data, go to the chart and select Edit. Delete all data and download. Update. There was a problem with the historical volume data not getting multiplied by the specified multiplier in the TWS contract data in a version after 2033, but this has been resolved in version 2062 and higher. Make sure you are running version 2062 or higher. The volume field for all trades received from Interactive Brokers TWS is multiplied by the volume multiplier value from the security definition data from Interactive Brokers for the symbol. Also be aware of the simulate trades to match daily volume setting. Using Sierra chart historical and real-time Forex data and trade through Interactive Brokers account. Link, top. Follow the instructions below to use the Sierra chart historical and real-time Forex data and send trade orders to your Interactive Brokers account. The real-time data which updates the chart will be from the Sierra chart Forex data feed. The real-time data which updates the last trade price box on the chart and the current bid and ask data will come from Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation. This way you will always see the accurate current pricing from IB, but have the chart bars based upon a better data feed. Follow the setup instructions on this page to connect Sierra chart to your Interactive Brokers account. Skip this step if this has already been done. Select File, Find Symbol. In the Find Symbol window, expand the Forex, FXCM list, not the IB Forex, for trading list. Select the particular Forex symbol that you want to chart and trade and open a chart for it by pressing the Open Intraday Chart or Open Historical Chart button. Select Chart Chart Settings symbol. Select the Trade and Current Quote symbol field. It should then be in Edit mode. Press the Find button beside the Trade and Current Quote symbol edit box. Expand the IB Forex for trading list. Choose the corresponding Interactive Brokers symbol. For example, CAD.JPY Cash ID LPRO corresponds to CAJPY. Press OK. Press OK to close the chart settings window. When you submit orders from the chart, they will use the Interactive Brokers symbol specified in the Trade and Current Quote symbol edit box. Interactive Brokers modification of limit price of stop limit orders. Link, top. When submitting a stop limit order from Sierra chart, and you find that the limit price of that order no longer has an offset to the stop price matching the offset that you specified when the order was submitted, then this means that it was modified by Interactive Brokers. We cannot provide any help with this condition. If you have been referred to this section, then you need to contact Interactive Brokers about this or consider using another supported trading service other than Interactive Brokers.